Evening to all of you. Hope you all are studying very well at your home and the exams are very near. Almost you have 3 days to go in your examination. My best wishes are with you and I hope that you will crack this examination with flying colors. Now we are going to discuss one problem. In a given diagram, there are two diodes, germanium and silicon. The cut-in voltage for germanium is 0.3 volt and for silicon is 0.7 volt. Then find the value of output voltage V0. Before going to discuss this problem, I want to discuss one little thing. If you given the cut-in voltage of a diode, then the given diode is not an ideal diode. This diode will considered a practical diode. Once again, I am repeating this. If you given a cut-in voltage, then the given diode is considered to be practical diode, and practical diode is represented by the cell symbol of cell with resistance. For example, if you given this germanium diode and given its cut-in voltage is 0.3 volt, then this diode is represented by a battery of value 0.3 volt and a resistance RF, that is forward resistance of diode. If the value of resistance is not given, then this resistance is considered 0. Okay, now I'm going to draw diagram of this circuit. Before going to draw the diagram, you will see that the germanium cut-in voltage is 0.3 volt while the silicon cut-in voltage is 0.7 volt. So which diode is going to on first? That is germanium diode will on first, then silicon, because its cut-in voltage is very low. Okay, once germanium get on, then this germanium diode will try to make off the silicon diode, or once the germanium diode get on, then this germanium diode will maintain the silicon diode in कट ऑफ मोड. यानी कि मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर जर्मेनियम डायोड एक बार ऑन हो गया तो ये जर्मेनियम डायोड इस सिलिकॉन डायोड को ऑन नहीं होने देगा. क्यों नहीं होने देगा? बिकॉज ये दोनों डायोड पैरेलल में है. ठीक है, जैसे ही जर्मेनियम डायोड ऑन होगा तो ये है 0.3 वोल्ट और पैरेलल में वोल्टेज सेम रहता है. अगर जर्मेनियम का वोल्टेज 0.3 वोल्ट है तो सिलिकॉन पर भी वोल्टेज कितना होगा बेटा? 0.3 वोल्ट. लेकिन सिलिकॉन को ऑन होने के लिए वोल्टेज चाहिए 0.7 वोल्ट, तो जर्मेनियम ऑन नहीं हो पाएगा. जैसे मैं डायग्राम ड्रॉ करता हूँ. दिस इज 10 वोल्ट and suppose germanium is get on first. Okay, then it is represented by a cell. .3 volt, but here resistance is not given, so we will consider resistance 0. Here resistance is not given, so we will consider resistance as 0. Okay, no problem. And this diode as it is. Now they both are in parallel, and in parallel voltage is same. If it is 0.3 volt, then it is also 0.3 volt. But सिलिकॉन डायोड को ऑन होने के लिए 0.7 वोल्ट चाहिए, लेकिन यहाँ पर कितना वोल्ट मिल रहा है इसको? 0.3 वोल्ट. तो ये ऑन कभी नहीं होगा, सिलिकॉन डायोड ऑन कभी नहीं होगा. समझ गए अब? तो दैट्स वाई. ओके, इट इज 9 किलो ओम. Okay, now current is coming like this. I I want to find the value of I, and I goes like this, and here this diode is off, so the current flow through this circuit only, this circuit only. Okay, by applying KVL in this loop from this point A, B, C, D, E, F. So I'm applying the KVL in A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, 10 volt माइनस का 0.3 वोल्ट माइनस का 9 into I equals to 0. Now here I will find the value of I. Okay, 10 minus 0.3 कितना होता है 9.7 माइनस का 9 into I equals to 0. So here I equals to 9.7 upon 9 milliampere. Okay, this is I. Okay, now okay, we find the value of current. Now I'm just try to find the voltage across this resistance, and voltage across this resistance is V equals to I into R. We have the value of I, that is V बराबर I into R, and the value of I is 9.7 into 9 multiply by 9. This 9 cancel, and we have voltage 9.7 volt. Okay, here we have voltage 9.7 volt. If total voltage is 10 volt and 9.7 volt is here, so what is remaining voltage? That is 0.3. so the output voltage is 0.3. Hope you understand this problem. Okay, best of luck.